welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day. So today we have our Heart and Soul, I'm covering up my address, our Heart and Soul box for June 2019. It is a Father's Day theme, so I'm super excited to dive in here and see exactly what all is in here. Typically when you think of, a bath and body subscription, you think of women. But this one is specifically for fathers. It's Father's Day edition. So, they need to take care of their skin too, right? So let's dive in here and see what this is all about. I will put a link if you would like to sign up for Heart and Soul. If you would like to order this box, there is a 20% off sale on Cratejoy going on right now, and that is where this is listed. So I will put all of that information down below for you guys. But otherwise, let's get in here and see just what this is all about. Oop. She always tapes everything so well. Alright, so we had some blue bubble wrap on top. Oh, something smells good. And I can't really smell. So I'm going to set that to the side just for a second. So this is the Father's Day box. And alright, so like I said, I will put a link down below to get you over to Cratejoy, and they do have the 20% off Father's Day sale going on. However, if you would like to sign up and say it's after that, if you use the code new subscription, you can get 10% off. So that is awesome. But let's go ahead and take a look. We'll reference this when we need to. So I'm just going to grab, let me show you the box. So this is what we see right here. So let's see. All right. Excuse me. Heart and Soul. This is the lemongrass body wash for men. Right there. Lemongrass body wash is refreshing and uplifting. It will gently scrub away dirt and grime, as well as keep skin hydrated and moisturized. Our body wash heals, moisturizes, protects your skin, leaving your skin soft with the wonderful aroma of lemongrass. So that is awesome. All right, and then we have another bottle, and this is honey oatmeal lotion with aloe vera. And this says, our lotion is full of natural skin hydrating ingredients which will moisturize your skin, leaving it feeling soft and smooth without a greasy feeling. If you have dry, irritated skin, it moisturizes your skin, giving it a healthier appearance. The colloidal oatmeal and aloe butter help moisturize and soothe the skin. Oh, that's awesome. I've always heard that anything with oatmeal in it is really good for soothing your skin, so that's nice to have. And then we have a lip balm. This is a menthol lip balm. All right, so this isn't like broken down because it's kind of self-explanatory. It's a menthol lip balm. All right, so then let's see. We have something here wrapped up. This is a rosemary and peppermint shaving butter. Our shave butter does not contain soap or other drying additives compared to shaving cream. Instead, it contains naturally hydrating ingredients. In addition, it contains rosemary and peppermint essential oil, which provides both cooling and refreshing sensations. That is awesome. My husband will definitely try that. And then we have a lemongrass verbena sugar scrub. Make your skin smooth. Sorry. Make your skin smooth and appear healthier by exfoliating your skin naturally with our sugar scrub. Our sugar scrub is handmade using natural ingredients. It will shed and moisturize your skin, giving it a healthier appearance. It's great for massage, pedicure, manicure, shaving. Apply 1 scoop by spoon to damp skin and massage to the area you desire. Your skin will feel wonderful and look nourished. Sugar scrubs are better for your skin than salt scrubs because they are more hydrating, and salt scrubs may strip your skin's natural oils. That is good to know. I didn't know that. Which I think most anything I get is actually a sugar scrub versus a salt scrub, but that is really good to know. All right, and then we have another item here. Mint gel foot mask. All right, so this isn't broken down on here for us, but it is a foot mask. Oh, it tells me on here. Rub mask all over top and bottom of feet. Sit and relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Gently rub mask into skin to exfoliate, then rinse with soap and water. Pat to dry. Your feet will feel smooth and look nourished. Awesome. And I bet it will feel really awesome being that it's mint. So let's see. It looks like we've got a couple more things in here. All right, so we have a shower balm or a shower steamer. This is Azurite Sky. What I can smell, because my smell is limited, smells really good and refreshing and manly. So that is really nice. And I really do like that she put in like a shower steamer, shower balm versus a bath bomb, because most men don't take baths. So that is really nice in a Bath and Body subscription that is tailored for Father's Day to have a like shower steamer or shower balm. So that is awesome. And then let's see. We have another shower balm. And this is lemon eucalyptus. Well, I can smell the lemon. But so there's that. So again, so that was 2 shower bombs. Oh, okay. Our shower bomb enhances your shower by releasing aromatherapy essential oils into the air. The scent of the essential oils mix with the steam from the shower and create a spa steam shower for your enjoyment. Our aromatherapy shower bombs can help with stress, sinus problems, headaches or migraines, and colds. Start your day off with an uplifting aromatherapy experience with our shower balm made with the aroma of natural essential oils. So awesome. So we have 2 shower bombs, shower steamers. So we have the Azurite Sky, which what I can smell again, smells very nice. And then the lemon eucalyptus, and I definitely can smell the lemon. So we have those. And then we have the menthol lip balm, the rosemary peppermint shaving butter, the lemongrass verbena sugar scrub, the mint gel foot mask, the lemongrass body wash for men, and the honey oatmeal lotion with aloe vera. So we have everything covered. So there's no reason that they should not come out smooth and fresh and everything. So I think that is a wonderful, collection of products for a Father's Day box. I think it is fantastic. Let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I will put all of the information and the link to the Cratejoy site. And don't forget, through Father's Day, through the 16th, there will be that extra 20% off. But if you just want to sign up for Heart and Soul, you can use the code new subscription for 10% off if you don't purchase before the 20% off sale ends. So again, let me know your thoughts down below. Again, I think it's great. I think it turned out, like I said, the variety of products is perfect. So I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.